Hey, welcome to the Solid Face Professional Training. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos. There are two possible styles for creating a file on the drawing environment by selecting the File tab, Sheet and Template Operation. On the Paperspace option, we'll find the separation of both environments, drawing and Paperspace. The first one refers to the project part we're drawing, while the second one is responsible for the template itself, including subtitles, line colors, and everything related to it. The second available style is called As Drawing. As the name says, it uses the group system for separating the template from the project part. The differences are also when the template must be added, because in the Paperspace option, we need to input it after creating or initializing the part. The As Drawing option allows us to insert it at any time, remembering that a new group with the inserted template will be created. Now, all you need to do is choose the option you enjoy the most and start working with Solid Face Professional. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.